Welcome to Short Version, where we draw out the key concepts from each book published on the channel, in order to approach life and its many aspects from a greater perspective. Please take the time to thumbs up to support the channel and to subscribe for more content. Have a great listening. It Works is a short self-help booklet written by Jarrett. The book offers a simple and direct approach to achieving one's goals and desires through the power of positive thinking and visualization. While the book is brief and doesn't contain multiple lessons or concepts, its core message revolves around a single, straightforward technique. Here's a breakdown of the main idea and method explained in the book, along with an example. The power of positive thinking and visualization. The book emphasizes the importance of holding a clear, positive mental image of your desires and believing that they are achievable. By consistently focusing on your goals with unwavering faith, you can manifest them into reality. The test technique. The book introduces a specific method called the test technique. It involves creating a clear, concise statement of your goal or desire, visualizing it as already achieved, and repeating this statement and visualization daily. Suppose you desire financial abundance. You create a statement like, "I am attracting wealth and abundance into my life effortlessly and continuously." You visualize yourself living a life of financial freedom, feeling the joy and security it brings. Every day, you take a few moments to sit quietly, close your eyes, and repeat this statement while vividly imagining the scenario you desire. You focus on the positive emotions associated with financial success. Over time, your unwavering faith and consistent practice of this technique help shift your mindset and energy towards attracting wealth and opportunities. You start noticing changes in your financial situation as you take inspired actions aligned with your goal. It Works is a concise and straightforward booklet that encourages readers to harness the power of their thoughts and beliefs to manifest their desires. While it doesn't offer a range of lessons or concepts, its simplicity can be a valuable reminder of the importance of positive thinking, visualization, and unwavering belief in achieving one's goals. Don't hesitate to leave a comment about a book you'd like to see published. You can also contribute to the channel's growth by making a donation, and while you're waiting for the next audio, don't forget. Knowledge is nothing without understanding, which is nothing without application. Look forward to seeing you soon on the channel, Short Version.
Perfect.